1 plus 1 equals 2. So 2 times 2 times 2 gives us 8. And 2 cubed equals 8. So 8 divided by 8 divided by 8 equals 1. But this answer is not correct. Because according to the order of operations, first we have to do parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication or division, and finally addition or subtraction. Remember that multiplication and division have equal priority and we have to work from left to right. And the same applies to addition and subtraction. In this expression, we have one exponent, one division, and two multiplications, and these parentheses. Okay? First, we have to do our parentheses. Okay? Inside these parentheses, we have 1 plus 1, which equals 2. No, 2 cubed divided by 2 times 2 and again times 2. Now we have to do this exponent. Okay, 2 cubed gives us 8. So 8 divided by 2 times 2 times 2. Now we have one division and two multiplications. Okay, multiplication and division have equal priority and we have to work from left to right. So first this division, 8 divided by 2 gives us 4. So 4 times 2 times 2. 4 times 2 gives us 8. Okay, so 8 times 2, which equals 16. And this is our final answer to this problem. The correct answer is 16.